In a suitcase like this, we have the most precise flow meter, which is called calibrated touch. There are two documents here: manual for your reference with all information you need to use it, and the logbook, which you have to fill in when you use it. How to use it? Very simple. This is a base, and we have 3 cells. The cell has different size for different flow. So this is the smallest cell. This is most often used cell from 200 ml to 6 liters per minute, and a very big cell for the range of 2 liters to 30 liters per minute. So I will use this cell to show how to use it. You take the cell and you put it on the base. Whenever you put it on the base, you need to turn it, keeping the lower part in this way. Then you switch it on. If it doesn't switch on, you need to use the charger. It means that it has not been charged on some. 6 volts, here it's written between 5.5 to 72. So the voltage is correct. Error 1. Okay, I know why, because the cell has to be connected to the base, and then we switch on. It goes through the internal check, and when it goes through all, it's ready for operation. For this kind of flow meter, we need to use this specific soap solution. And what we do, we use a smaller bottle. Usually it stays in a suitcase pretty full. And we have here the inlet and outlet. We put the soap solution inside, just a bit, and then we connect it to any analyzer we want to measure the flow. We connect in this way, that here we connect when we have the blowing, and here when we have the sucking. So here we have, yeah, you're recording, right?
Mm.
Okay, so here we have the instrument, and it sucks in the air for the measurement. So we need to use the upper inlet. I connected it with the black tubing, and now I push this button and release to produce a bubble. And now when the cell is dry, it will take a couple of bubbles to wet the internal wall to make it go up to the top. The measurement principle is measuring the time, how fast the bubble travels from the bottom to the top. So here you can see that it takes some time for the bubble to go up because the flow is quite low. The full measurement is when the bubble goes from the bottom to the top. And then you read the measurement. You can repeat as many times as you want, but let's say 5 measurements averaged will be okay. Here on the display you can see that the average will be much lower than the flow because we tried at the beginning many times. So at this moment our flow is around 4 liters per minute, while the average is different because we tried at the beginning and it was not successful. So what you can do now, you can reset, push again, when you have 0, you can start your measurements and then repeat it 5 times and get the average. But I'm not so fortunate. The first one was wrong, the second one is not so good, so my average will be affected. So you can start again by deleting again and then making the very proper measurement of 5 repetitions and then taking the average. Okay, when you finish your measurement, you remove the tubing and you put back this short tubing that secures the cell. Then you remove the RS-232 connector, and then you remove the cell after switching it off by turning the base. Never turn with this part, turn here, and then you put